distribute to Winston. Can Winston get it off?
Plenty of time. Oh,
he's fouled on the way. Uy, Stockton and Rosales are going at it. And the referees need to get in there. Andrade, humarang na agad.
Look at that last 3 seconds. Nagkaroon pa ng 3 seconds kasi baka may pwedeng miscore. Kanina pa naghahawakan yan pero pinapabayaan ng referee. Hawak, 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 hawak. Pareho ha, onside.
Binigyan. Tumama ba? I don't know if it's one more time. Watch it. Yun, tumama.
Oh, that could be an ejection.
Yeah, it might be, Doc.
And the other guy will probably get some technical fouls.
Salamat, direct. Dun sa replay, medyo pinambagal pa lalo. Nakafocus pa. At nakita natin yung pangyayaring yun. And, you know, when the camera
binigyan talaga ni Stockton here.
Yeah.
With that, he's being held down.
Boom,
and he gave him that. That's a penalty too.
Yeah, that's a penalty.
And then Rosales goes under him and drags him down, you know. At so much so na nagkagulo-gulo silang dalawa ni Winston doon, no? And then he was about to throw a punch if not for Jericho Cruz.
Lull here because
flagrant foul, penalty 1 on Chris Rosales. Chris Rosales has to sit on the bench for 3 minutes. Okay. Flagrant foul, penalty 2 on Alex Stockton. Alex Stockton out of the playing court.
Stockton's out.
Yeah, Stockton.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is a clarification.
Okay, there's a clarification.
Flagrant foul, penalty 1 on number 12, Alex Stockton.
Oh, 1.
Oh,
Alex Stockton has to sit on the bench for 3 minutes.
He was only given
both F1s.
Both of them.
Both F1s. Now, that's where the confusion comes in.
Yeah.
That's where the confusion comes in. And there's going to be upset people here. Stockton, that's Rosales fouling him. And there they go again.
Yeah, but it was a good foul on the part of Rosales. It's a foul. Correct natin.
Yun, tinamaan siya dito sa may leeg.
Pero